the universe's edge might be a desert of forces. In the last episode, we talked about the boiling state, where the energy sea was chaotic, with violent fluctuations that erased all slopes and textures. In that extreme state, the four fundamental forces had no chance to emerge. Now, let's consider the opposite extreme. What happens when there's a region where the tension is so weak that the energy sea barely participates in transmission? In the energy filament theory, gravity is a tension slope. Electromagnetism is a texture slope. The strong force fills gaps, and the weak force causes destabilization and reorganization. All these forces rely on one condition: the energy sea must help propagate these differences. It needs to act like a taut drum skin, tap one point, and the vibrations travel across the sea. This is when force has meaning. Tension differences propagate along slopes, textures along field lines, and reorganization through circulating patterns. Now, imagine an extremely relaxed state, a region with much lower tension than what we're used to, like a deflated membrane. The attraction between small patches of the sea is nearly zero. If you tap a point, the vibration dies out quickly. You could still write a gradient like this area is slightly tighter. But to the relaxed sea, it's not worth activating, and the transmission chain breaks. As a result, even though you could still write gravitational or electric potentials, no real effects can propagate from this area to another. Even a clump of matter would slide back toward tighter regions, leaving the area nearly empty. From our view, this region is a force desert: no detectable gravity, no visible electromagnetic textures, and no usable structure for strong or weak interactions. Compared to the boiling state, it's a quiet form of no forces. The energy sea simply refuses to transmit energy. The result is the same: force rules are still there but completely silent. In energy filament theory, the universe exists in a tension range between these two extremes. It's not so chaotic that everything is erased, nor so loose that it decouples. In this sea that can transmit without being overwhelmed, the four fundamental forces can appear. The boundary of the universe, where the sea becomes too relaxed to transmit energy, might be the place where no forces are felt and where nothing outside becomes indistinguishable from the void. Tap follow, share it on New Physics, Clear Universe.